Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Today we're going to be going over how to create your very own Minecraft Bukkit server non-hamachi. Today we're going to go over just how to fix those nooks and crannies if you owned a previous server and it gives you that bind on port crap. Okay, so what you guys want to do, if you don't already have it, download WinRAR in the link in the description below. And so you can actually extract files today. I'm guessing most of you have it because if you play Minecraft, you probably have installed Minecraft mods or clients or whatever like that. Okay, so second, we're going to download a second link, which is going to involve our bukkit.rar, which is right here. So once we do that, once you guys download that, you're going to open it up. And right here, you're going to see two versions of it. You can see JRE6 and JRE7. That's basically what kind of version of Java you have. I'm running Java 7, so I might as well put one in there for Java 7 people. Default is Java 6. There is no difference to it whether if you downloaded Java 7 beta or if you just have regular Java 6. So in order to find out which kind of version of Java you have, all you have to do is go down to this right here. Go to Windows C drive, regular program files, Java, and it'll give you your version of Java. I have both versions of Java because I installed the beta version, Java 7. So that's why I have that, and I also downloaded Java Developers Kit. But you guys will probably just have Java 6. And after that, you extract which one version you have. I'll be extracting Java 7. I could be using Java 6, but for the sake of this, I'll just use Java 6 for you guys. Right here. So we're going to open up Java 6 right here. And you'll see two things. You'll just hit run. And it's going to give you a bunch of warnings and stuff because it's installing files that you don't have right now. But it should run 3 times as smooth as when you run it the second time. Alright, I'll just give that a second. It's loading up a random seed. And yep, and now it's gonna say done. So now all you have to do now is right away I want you guys to hit stop, type in stop, hit enter, stopping the server, save in chunks, and it's gonna say please continue. Press any key to continue after that. So let's give it a moment to do that. Alright, after we have done that, you'll see that a variety of things is now in your Bukkit JRE6 folder. You can rename this folder to whatever you want. Awesome Minecraft server, I really don't care. Now, we're going to go over, we're going to go down to server properties here. It's going to say type properties file. You can open that up, it's going to come out as a text folder. It's going to just have a variety of options. You can choose some for like allowing the nether. You can rename your world, change your ports if you're having a whatever server and you want flying people. They can fly. Difficulty, what you want to rename your server. So what you can do now is type in server IP. Now in order to find this IP, I want you guys to go to your start, type in CMD, or for Windows XP people, or I don't know what kind of people, go to accessories and all that. So you can type in CMD, and you type in IP config. When you hit that, you'll search for this right here. If you have a connected or plugged in, you won't have this, but all you're looking for is this IPv4 address. Now you're going to look at that, and you're just going to put that right there in the server IP. This is the IP you're going to connect onto your server. Alright, so that's the IP you will connect to your server. You want to keep this up because we're going to use it in a little bit for your port forwarding. In order to port forward. Okay, so anyway, now you can go name server, so fun server, whatever. Enable spawn monsters. You guys could read through this, level seed and stuff. Another thing is online mode. If you're going to be running a cracked server, I'm telling you right now, change this to false. Otherwise, you will not be able to join your own server because you do not have a premium account. So online mod false, sorry. Hit save, and then all you have to do is exit, and now you just hit rerun your server, and it should load up like insanely fast. Done. You are good. It would say servers running in offline insecure mode. That means you now have a cracked server. So why don't you just hit stop. Okay, so now here we're gonna go port forward and make your server available to your friends because it's only available for you now. And so what we're gonna do is you're gonna go to open up your web browser, and right here you're gonna go find your default gateway. I think this is everyone's default gateway, but everyone's router is different. So mine's gonna be 192.168.1.1. Let's go 192.168. Oops. 1.1. I'm gonna hit enter, and it's gonna ask you for your username and password. Everyone's username and password by default is admin password, but I don't know what everyone else's is, but this is just for mine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave a mass password list for what kind of routers you guys have, and just in case everyone needs it. So I'm gonna hit enter, and it's gonna redirect me now. And now we're gonna go find your port forwarding / port triggering tab. So mine's gonna be in the advanced setup here, and it's gonna be port forward and port triggering. So as we all know, the Minecraft servers run on the port 25565. So you can hit add custom service, and here it is. You can name your service name to whatever you like. I'm gonna just put mine Minecraft. Make sure it's in TCP/UDP, and we're gonna type in 25565 as the starting port, 25565 ending port, and now this is your internal IP address that we're gonna be looking for right here. And that's the same one you put for your server address that you're gonna be connecting on. So 151. Now we're gonna go like this, hit apply, and you have now successfully port forwarded. Now, another thing you want to do here is to prevent port forwarding every time you restart your computer, is you can go download the third link in the description, and that's going to be how to set up a static IP address. So you don't, and this automatically does this for you. All you have to do is, when you start it up, hit make it static button right here. I have changed my IP address to static. I'll turn it to dynamic. Apply changes. Okay, so when you guys open up, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to say, make your IP is currently dynamic. So pretty much you want to make that static, and it's going to come up like this. That's because it's making my thing dynamic. And it's going to be waiting for a network scan. Hold up, because it just turned my IP to dynamic. So, okay, there you go. Here we go. This is what it's going to have. Your wireless connection. You can hit make it static. It's going to have all your stuff. And you guys want to do this first. Okay, so hit apply. Apply changes. It's going to disconnect you from the internet for a sec. And we're going to go back to CMD. Retype in IP config. Okay, so my IP has changed. You probably will too. So it's gonna be just a quick fix. All you have to do is just edit the last number, or whatever your IP is. So just go back into port forwarding if you left that tab up. Yes. 1 second. Advanced. Okay. So if you're listening to me now, I messed up. Sorry, my bad. Let's go back here. All you have to do is hit this, edit service, and just change up that last number here. 150. There you go. Now you are done. Now if your friends go out, your IP won't change when you start your computer, and it's all fun and games from there. And now you guys are done successfully. You have set up a Bukkit server that now runs. You have successfully port forwarded, and you have to change your server thing now. That's what I want to get to here. Boop. 150, file, save, close. Now it should run like butter. You have port forwarded, your friends may now join your thing. Now this is the IP your friends are going to be joining on. Right here. And we can go to ipchicken.com. Your friends, if you wanted to set up a small Minecraft server, this is what they're going to be joining on. What I like to do is, because I don't like giving my IP out to people, especially if you're going to have a big server, is we're going to go to the fourth link in the description, and it's going to be noip.com. noip.com. Right here, waiting for it. And now what you guys want to do right away is create an account. After you create an account, I want you guys to log in. It's totally free. You don't have to buy anything. Just hit login, waiting for it to log me in. So go ahead and create an account. Okay, I don't know if this is down or what's going on here. Once you guys create an account, it'll redirect you to something, to a page, members here. And what you guys basically, what you're gonna do here is add a host. Once you're into this page, once you have logged in, add a host here. And you can name your host name to whatever you want, like J Money 549999, and you could change the last name, the last part of it too. So when your friends, once you set this up, your friends will be logging into your Minecraft server at jmoney499.noip.org. Don't touch anything else here. All you guys have to do is create host. I don't need to create a host because I've made one. So once you guys hit create a host, it's going to give me some error because I have reached my max of 2 domains, or not. Here it is. So you've created your host here. I'm just going to remove that. Once you've created your host, say awesome server 34 here. So it's your host right here. This is your friends going to be connecting onto your server. You're just going to go download client here, up here. Now your operating system Windows. Download the Windows thing. That's going to run you through. And after you have done all that, it's going to pop up as a no IP right here. This thing doesn't like to come out. Okay, no IP client up here. All you have to do is hit edit, log into your server, log into your no IP status, select your host. I'm using j486k.noip.biz, save, refresh, and what this is nice is because instead of using dyndns.org, you are using it and it updates your IP right away. So if your public IP does change and people get disconnected, all you have to do is hit refresh now and you're pretty much set. So now you just run this, you can minimize it, it will check refresh your IP every 5 minutes so it won't get disconnected, and you have successfully run a Minecraft server, guys. All you have to do is, if you have premium, just log in. If you don't, where's my premium? If you have premium, you just log in here. If you have premium, I just said that like 4 times. And you can go log into your Minecraft server as premium, depending what you set it to: online mode, false, or true. There you go, j486k.noip.biz. This is what your friends will be running on. This is what you would be running on, but I gotta change that because it's now 150. Done. It's just gonna say fun server on both. You'll be connecting onto the IP you typed in earlier, 192.168.150, and your friends, you'll give that IP to your friends. And look at this. And there you are. There's your new Minecraft server. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you guys have any questions or comments, please be free to drop them by in the video below. Like always, I hope you guys have a good day, and talk to you later.